Hi dear ones, praise Jesus and welcome to my channel. So for this hairstyle you will need to separate your hair like this, and this hairstyle is actually inspired by MILLY Wajesus. MILLY Wajesus is married to Kabi Wajesus and they have a YouTube channel called THEWAJESUS Family, and recently she posted a video here on YouTube where she was styling her natural hair. And that hairstyle, I tell you, it was so cute, and I got so interested in trying it out on my natural hair because it was such a simple, easy and quick hairstyle that anyone can do it. So here I am trying it out, and all you can do about this hairstyle, you just do a puff at the back of your hair, and here I am, and this is what it's looking like, and this is how my puff is looking like at the back. Yeah, the back section. So if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate. I do not take it for granted. And at the front, all you can do is just play around with your hair, and I'm just going in with the hairpins just to secure my hair, and it's going to look like a forward puff, and it's gonna be so cute. This hairstyle was so cute and so simple with low manipulation, like you do not stress your hair. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and become part of this amazing family, and like this video and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Leave a sweet comment down there and just tell me what you think about this hairstyle, if you're gonna try it out. And also, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching my video to this end, and I really appreciate. I do not take it for granted. And guys, as you usually know, like, I really like doing hairstyles that do not manipulate my hair. Simple and easy hairstyles like this is what I really like. If you want to focus on retaining length, you want to do hairstyles that do not manipulate your hair, hairstyles that will not stress your hair, and such hairstyle like this will help you in just keeping your hair from breakage and damage. So let me know what you think about this video. So I'm gonna leave you and just enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.